In this PPT session, I'm going to read my script. First, spot box. First person I've identified is age 22, sex male, mood stressed. Second person age is 47, sex female, mood worried. Third person age is 17, sex female, mood sad. Now action box. This is the picture of outside of the house. There are 3 persons in the picture. 2 persons were discussing about a topic and the person were listening to the discussion. Now I am going to read story box. Jamal is a student of Khulna Polytechnical Institute. He just got opportunity to work in a renowned South Korean company. His whole family is happy about this golden opportunity. In the day of departure, his mother, Mrs. Jamila Begum, was concerned about him. His sister Jahin expresses her sorrow through the window. Later on, he assured his family not to get worried about him, and he left the country and joined at his workplace safely.
Thank you, chess number 1. Now I am reading my PPDT script. At first, spot box. The first character, age 32, sex male, mood anxious. The second character, age 56, sex female, mood tensed. The third character, age 25, sex female, mood sad. Now, action box. Mr. Jamal was a businessman. He decided on going abroad and get a job to support the family needs. His mother and wife were disheartened about the news of Mr. Jamal leaving for work. That's all. Now, story box. Mr. Jamal was an honest and sincere businessman. He owned a grocery shop in the market. However, due to COVID lockdowns, he suffered severe loss in his business. This forced Mr. Jamal to close the shop and stop his work. Mrs. Amina was his mother and Mrs. Rehana was his wife. Jamal had responsibilities to feed them and fulfill the needs of the family, as he was the only earning person. Anyways, he applied for visa and got accepted for leaving to Saudi Arabia, where he will be doing temporary jobs and earning good amount. On the day of leaving, Mrs. Amina was broken in tears and his wife, Mrs. Rehana, was very sad. But Mr. Jamal calmed them down, said that it was a decision for the welfare of the family and he will return very soon, live with them happily. Thank you.
Thank you, chess number 2. Now I will read my PPT script. In the spot box, I have identified 3 persons. Age 30, sex male, mood sad. Age 50, sex female, mood concerned. Age 24, sex female, mood sad. In the action box, I have written that this is an outside picture. There are 3 persons in the family having a conversation. Now the story box. Mr. Joshim is a farmer. He lives in Khulna with his mother, Bilkis Akhtar, and his wife, Kulsum. They are both housewives. Due to river erosion, Mr. Joshim lost their land. Now Mr. Joshim was devastated and searched for another job and found one in Dhaka. Now that he has to leave his hometown and move to Dhaka, his family got very concerned and sad. Bilkis told Joshim to maintain safety and proper communications and to visit regularly. Joshim replied positively and left the village.
Thank you, chess number 3. Now I will read out my PPDT script. So for the spot box, I have spotted 3 persons. First person's age was 18, sex male, mood assuring. Second person's age was 40, sex female, mood worried. Third person's age was 16, sex female, mood sad. For the action box, I have written Shohag is moving to Rajshahi. His mother and sister is very sad about it. For the story, I have written Shohag lives with his mother and sister in Narshingdi. He is the only man in the family. He never stayed away from his family. But this time he has to leave because of the future of his career and his family, as he got chance in the Rajshahi University. His mother and sister was very happy for him, but finally when the day came and he was leaving, his mother was worried and giving him advice to stay honest, to study hard and to be a modest man. Sohag was assuring that he will abide by her advices and write regularly to her sister.
From this projected picture, I have perceived three characters, one is male and two is female. For analyzing their outer appearance, I have considered one male and two female. So we know that Mr. Jamal is going abroad, and a female character was discussing about this topic. That's why I have considered her as Mrs. Jamila Begum, which is known as Mr. Jamil's mother. And the character which was seen expressing her soul through the window, I have considered her as sister of Mr. Jamil, which is known as Mrs. Jahin. So that's all I want to say. Thank you.
From the hazy picture, I have spotted three characters to be visible. And the first character, he was a male, and the male character, he had an anxious expression, from which I assumed him that he is in need of a job, and that is why he is living abroad. Moreover, the character male beside the male character, there was another female character holding, and she also had another deserted expression, and from that I assumed her to be the male character, Mr. Jamal's mother, Mrs. Amena. And at last, in the background, we could see also another female character, and I assumed her to be as Mrs. Rehana, as the main character, Mr. Jamal's wife. So in the background of the picture, there was a rural house, and from this I assumed my characters to be living in a village. So this made my story give the logic that Mr. Jamal was desperately in need of a job and he had to go abroad. So that is why I have written my story in this way. Thank you.
So thank you, chess number 3. I have also spotted 3 persons in the picture, and my perception is 2 of them were female and 1 of them was male. And in the picture I saw that a woman is holding a male and telling something. So the woman was worried and the male seemed to assuring the woman. So I assume that the male is Mr. Sohag, who is 20 years old, and the woman is his mother, who is 38 years old, and Sohag is living for his university at Rajshahi, and her mother is worried about it. And in the background there is her sister Akhi, who is 16 years old, and she is sad about her brother is leaving.
At first, in the picture, we did all see 3 characters to be visible. One of them was male and 2 of them were female. The male, I assumed him to be in search of a job, and he was leaving his home, his family. Moreover, the female beside him, it was his mother, who was very worried and anxious for the male, and I assumed it to be as Mrs. Rehana. Moreover, there was another female in the background. I assumed that female to be the man's wife. So that is how I've concluded my story.
I have agreed with chess number 2 that he said that there were 3 persons in the picture. I have agreed to that, and he said that Mr. Joshim went to abroad for job, Saudi Arabia. But my question is why he has went to the job. The reason I want to include that he suffered the river erosion disaster has destroyed his land. That's why he went to search another job and went to Saudi Arabia. I agree with the story of chess number 2. From this projected picture, I have seen 3 persons, 1 is male and 2 is female. So the story that chess number 2 had given us is that Mr. Jamal goes to abroad, Saudi Arabia, for job. So in our country, it's a common scenario that poor people like Mr. Jamal goes to abroad for earning money.
Thank you, chess number 3. So I have also spotted 3 persons, and 2 of them were female and 1 of them was male. But I have written something else, which was that Sohag was leaving for his university, which was Rajshahi University, that he got chance recently. But case number 2 mentioned a very important point, that is in the perspective of Bangladesh, his story is very common. So I agree with that. Also, chest number 3 mentioned the purpose of the story, that why Sohag is leaving. So I think that's a very good point too, that he is leaving because he lost his land because of river erosion.
Okay, now I'm reading out our common story. At first, we have seen the spot box. There were 3 characters. The first character, he has the age of 30 years old. The sex is male and the mood is tensed. Moreover, the second character, the age is 56 years old. The sex is female and the mood is serious. And last but not the least, the third character has the age of 25 years old. The sex is female and the mood is sad. Now, action box. In the action box, there are 2 characters. The first character and the second character, they were discussing about a matter, and the third character was in a sad state, standing in the background. Now, the story box. Mr. Jamal is a farmer and he lost his land due to river erosion. However, he was desperately in need of a job, and that is why he looked for abroad, and he finally got his visa and was going to Saudi Arabia for a workplace. However, on the day of his leaving, his family members, his mother and his wife, they were worried and tensed. But Mr. Jamal took this situation smartly. He told them not to worry, and he will be taking care of himself and be arriving very soon back to them in the country. That's my common story. Thank you.